Hello, my name is Robert Brooks. The class is Java 2. The term is 1503. This is my fundamental changes walkthrough video. In this video, I'm going to explain the changes that were required and the changes that I made to my first project, Fundamentals, and tell you exactly how I did it. First, we'll look at the app. The first thing I did was swap the positioning of the master and the detail. The master is now on the right, the detail is now on the left, fragments. Then I changed the background color of all the elements in the master to blue, all the elements in the detail fragment to green. Also added the text color preference is a preference list that it starts on default, and then you can select the color that you want to change all the text to in the application. So there's blue, we saw red, here's green, and now we'll go back to the default of black. And it alerts the user, as you see below, with the it tells you what your text color is. So, and everything is, even when you load them again, everything works. So as far as the application walkthrough goes, that's pretty much it. Let me take you through the code a little bit. We'll start in the main activity where I create the shared preference on when the activity is created. I create a shared preference for background and save it to the and commit it to the editor, and I access it from other places, and I access it from the other fragments. This is my on-activity result for my preference list, where if based on the color chosen, it selects that color and saves it to the shared preferences. And then down here is a little formula to set text color, where it sets all the elements text color to the chosen color. Now go into the master fragment. As soon as the fragment is created, I access the shared preferences and set all the element background text colors and backgrounds to whatever the preference color currently is, to whatever the saved shared preference is. And then on the adapter for the list view is a little different. I actually have to set the list view within the override get view for the adapter, and then I set the background and the text color there. I also created a helper class to handle all the network and file saving operations right here. So if you look through it here, this is basically all my functions that handle those operations. We have a network check, HTTP manager, which does the URL connection. We have the JSON parse. We have all my file storages, so my internal file storages, write to file, read data, create JSON file, and read the JSON file. So that was pretty much it as far as the code goes for this application. The hardest part was definitely getting used to the shared fragments, being able to, once you write them, being able to access them from each fragment and to set the preferences. But once I got that, it was pretty straightforward. I enjoyed this project, and I look forward to next week. Thank you very much.